Hello everyone, you join us today at a HMO, 9-bedroom HMO that we are just finishing the plumbing for. So just walk you through what we're doing at the moment. So I'll switch the camera around, let you have a look around. Come on, switch around. No, won't switch. Okay, right, so let's get some perspective here. So this is the back of the building. Soil pipe up through here. It's over 3 floors. We go back into the property now. So this is the living area. Let's see if we can get a good down here is the basement. That's where my boiler room is. Behind me, kitchen's just being finished off, waiting for the carpenter to finish off so we can put our sinks in. Ooh. Can't see it very well, but radiator on the wall behind me. Another one underneath this desk. I wouldn't have personally put it under this desk, but that's the way they've designed it. Go through into bedroom 1 now. So this is still a mess. They're using this as a right dumping ground. Turn some lights on. So let's see if we can get a decent. Again, dumped a load of stuff in here, but 9-bedroom HMO with all en suite. Yeah, so that's this en suite pretty much just finished off. Right, see if we can get over here. We've got boilers down in the cellar. This is where the flues are going to have to come up and then out this wall. And see if we can see them here. And there's your flues coming out the wall here with the gas meter below there. Go down in the cellar now, show you where we are on that. So we've got a 22mm one coming main in this one, and we've upgraded to a secondary water main with another additional 25mm. So there's 2 water mains coming into the property, and then we have our boiler room. Two boilers to allow for redundancy, so we can service 1 boiler and keep this place nice and toasty at the same time. Let me just grab my light. Oh, got it here. So you can see it a little bit better. So there's our boiler room. Got 3 pumps here. So we got ground floor, 1st floor, 2nd floor, secondary return for the hot water. And also on this one we have a low loss header. We can look at it down here. Low loss header. Basically it mixes all the central heating water, allows it to balance the system without too much to do. Let's go back up into the 1st floor. Got to the 1st floor. It's been a long time coming, this one. It's over a year because of bad organisation by the owner. Issues with funding as well, but it's by the by, isn't it? Now, again, this is down to the customer. 760 quadrants, in my opinion they're too small, but that's what the customers asked for. And basin and toilet tucked in there, and this one's got a panel on it. Let's see if you can see, here is a little panel where service valves are, so we can isolate each individual ensuite. So that's the second bedroom. Just give you a quick look at this third bedroom. Okay. Again, radiator on the wall under window. Right, just showing you the service hatches. This one hasn't got his hat put on yet, but if you can see, not the best of videos this. We got our 2 pipes, 2 service valves. We can isolate this room completely, and then no disturbance to anybody. And then we go into the ensuite. Okay, fan's not been put in yet, I don't think. Oh yes, it has. It's just not turned on. So, where's towel rail, just to keep the towels warm. Another, actually this one's a bigger, yeah, this one's an 800 quad, this is, so it's a little bit bigger. Plastic boarding, keep everything nice and sealed up. Basin and toilet tucked in the corner there again. Been a bit cramped this one, but the figures don't work for the owner unless we get a 9-bedroom in here. So yeah, feature wall, not 100% sure whether I like that, but it's what it is. And again, another ensuite. Let's just turn the lights on in there. So I personally wouldn't have done these rooms quite as small as these are. They're within regulations. They're within the HMO regs, but only just. So that's the first floor. Go up to the second floor. Okay, another feature wall, radiator. There's fire alarm in this one. Thermostat, again, the electricians put the thermostat in the wrong place, but nothing we can do about that. Another ensuite. Yep, fan's working on this one, I just didn't turn the other one on. So there they are. There's a quick tour around a 9-bedroom HMO that we've done the plumbing for. We haven't done anything else other than the en-suites. But these little good tips, I say, isolation valves, so we can turn the whole room off. So with this being such a big property, you turn all the water off to do change your shower. It disturbs a lot of people, so that's what we do. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll do some more for you. If you want to like and share, thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.